Just over 5 years ago, I struggled to make $50,000 a year on Amazon FBA. Now, fast forward 5 years, and I just made $170,000 in 1 month. Now, Amazon is one of those things where everyone thinks it's so easy to get started, and then when they actually put their thoughts into practice and they go and start their Amazon FBA business, they realize that it's really not as easy as people think. And the only way that you can simplify it for yourself is from a proven program. From someone who's proven themselves selling on Amazon FBA and who's grown their own business to 6 or 7 figures in revenue per year. And that's the only way you're gonna properly learn. Taking a course from someone who doesn't actually sell on Amazon, who has just taken other courses and copies their content, really isn't gonna help you in the long run. And that's where later in this video, I'll jump right into my computer and show you my last 30 days revenue and what I've made in the last 30 days. And so we will hop into my computer and check that out in a little bit. But I just want to say, if you asked me 5 years ago if I thought I'd be able to sell $170,000 per month on Amazon, I would have laughed and said that's not even close to being possible. My first year, I struggled to make $50,000 on Amazon in the whole year. Now I'm nearly quadrupling that in 1 month. So that just goes to show the real power of Amazon and the real power of expanding your business from just within one country to multiple countries. And that's what I've done this year. Is I've expanded from just Amazon.ca and a little bit of Amazon.com to now going all out in Amazon.com and continuing on Amazon.ca. If you asked me if I would be living downtown Vancouver 5 years ago as well, in literally the most expensive city in North America. You asked me 5 years ago if I thought I'd be living downtown Vancouver, living in a top floor in this condo building, I would have said there's no way. There's no way that I would be getting there. When I was 5 years ago working another job, I thought that was the only way to go. I didn't think that there was another way that you could make money. I didn't think you could sell on Amazon to make money. Or when I did start selling on Amazon, I was literally just making like not much at all, like maybe $100 a month. And I wasn't doing it to make a full-time income, I was doing it to make a side income. And now that's completely changed and the majority of my income comes from Amazon. So that's the great thing with being able to scale your business and being able to grow your business and being able to expand internationally to both Amazon.com and Amazon.ca, depending where you are. So I just want to make this video today to show you guys kind of where I'm at, and I want to show you my growth numbers on Amazon.com. You guys are going to think it's insane, but literally I just went all out into Amazon.com this year with my proven method, and it's been super successful. So I want to teach you guys that same method, and I want you guys to get into my course before the price goes up. Like I said in my previous video, it's going to be going up from $497 to $997. So this is your chance to get in at the lowest price. And the great thing is you have lifetime access. So when you sign up for the course, you get lifetime access to the course. Any updates that the course comes with, you're gonna be getting at no additional cost. It's a great time to get in, and it's better to sell on Amazon now than it ever has been. Amazon continues to grow and my business continues to grow. So let's hop into my laptop now and I will show you guys kind of where I'm at this month and show you, like I said, the growth numbers on Amazon.com. You guys are gonna be amazed by those numbers. All right, so we are now in my laptop, and as I told you, I made over 170,000 in sales in the last 30 days. Within North America, so based on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. Total of 683 units, and 371 of those were on .com and 312 were on .ca. If you asked me last year if I thought that my Amazon.com sales this year would double my Amazon.ca sales in the month of, well, in the last month, 30 days, so basically October and November, I would have said there's no way, because I literally barely sold in Amazon.com last year. So I'll hop into the numbers of growth that I've had over this past year. But literally, Amazon continues to grow, guys. I continue to see significant growth on Amazon, and literally, it's Amazon's not dead. Amazon is not. It's not too late to get in. It's not too late to start your Amazon FBA business. It's literally the perfect time because it continues to grow. So I like to show you guys my numbers to give you kind of a look at what my numbers look like and how I continue to grow my Amazon business. For those of you in the United States, I will show you the US numbers. So 131 US, 131,000 US in the last 30 days. And then in the last 15 days, 62,000 US, and that transfers into 81,000 Canadian. So I just want to show you guys these numbers to show you what is possible. I'm running at close to a 30% profit margin. So as you can tell, it's a significant amount of money that I'm making every single month thanks to my proven method that not many people teach. Actually, I don't think there's really anyone that teaches the online arbitrage method like I do. And that's why I've been so successful, because it's not something that many people teach and many people know about. That's why I'm offering these teachings in my course to help other people, because I want to help other people grow their businesses and succeed and make a full-time income from Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. So I don't sell in Mexico because, like I've said in previous videos, I was having a lot of fraud. People were basically never saying that they never received their items when in fact they did, and then I was getting screwed over for a lot of money. So I decided to not sell in Mexico anymore. It's not to say that you can't make money in Mexico. It's just very risky because you can't put signature confirmation on shipments. And when you're sending, say, like $1,000 item to Mexico, and you can't put a signature confirmation on that, 9 times out of 10 from what I've seen, the person's going to say they didn't get it. Maybe they didn't actually get it, but that's why I don't sell in Mexico anymore, on Amazon Mexico. And I want to show you guys the growth numbers, so I'm going to hop to another screen and I will show you my growth numbers on Amazon.com this year. They are pretty crazy. Alright, so here is my year-to-date sales on Amazon.com. Now, 300,000 is nothing insane, but keep in mind, I really only started ramping up this year on Amazon.com. And as you can see, my last year numbers on Amazon.com, literally, guys, I'm telling you, I barely sold on there. I didn't know about prep companies. I didn't know that I could send products from Canada to the United States using a prep company. There's a lot of things that I learned this year, and I put that into action and went from 67 units in the whole year last year to 2,366 this year so far. And that's all of last year by the end of the year. So I still have the rest of November and all of December. That this is probably going to go well over 3,000 units and likely well over 500,000 in sales. So it's pretty crazy to see the growth from last year, and I want to give you the percentages of this growth. I know I wasn't on Amazon.com too much last year, but still to see these numbers is pretty crazy. So this year, as we can see, 2366, and last year only 67 units. That is a 3,703% change from last year. And in terms of order product sales, we went from 17,000 to over 303,000 for a 1,667% change. Literally, my business has exploded on Amazon.com, and I am literally just starting out. Like, next year, I'm going to be well over $1 million just on Amazon.com because I have big expansion goals and I'm going to be sending a ton more products. I'm basically using almost every prep center that I can think of because you can only bring $800 a day. So I am using as many as I can to get that $800 per day across the border from multiple prep companies so that I don't have to worry about those limits. And yeah, so as you can see, insane growth numbers, and it's just going to continue to go up. Like, let's see month to date. Actually, let's go month to date. So, this is comparing to last month. So I have a 20% increase from last month, and then a 96% increase in product sales, total value product sales. This month so far just 13,000, but we're only 8 days in, and then last month was 86,000. So as you can tell, Q4 is really ramping up, and I've been sending an insane amount of products. Like, I am sending so much inventory to the States. It's insane every single day, and I'm buying so much inventory. And that's the only way you're going to really scale this business, is to continue to reinvest your profits. And that's what some people fail at. They say they make $10,000, and then rather than reinvesting that into more inventory, they go out and buy a car or something with it, go waste that money. Then you're not going to continue to scale your business. You're not going to grow your business. You really need to reinvest your profits and only take a little bit out. And that's what I do, is I don't take an insane amount of money out of my business. I keep it in it, and I continue to purchase more inventory. And that's how you continue to earn more money. Like, I have so much money tied up in inventory, but I'm fine with that because I know it's going to sell. And based on my proven method that's really worked with an over 1,600% increase in product sales from last year, like, it works, and I know it's going to continue to grow. And like I said, mark my words, it will be $1 million US next year based on my expansion goals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you kind of a sneak peek into my business, and I'll put a link in the description below to get into the FBA Freedom course. Like I said, it's $497 right now. The price is going to be going up to $997 very soon. Likely even before the new year, because I'm going to be adding a ton more content, and I'm going to be making it catered to both people who have never sold on Amazon before, so who have no idea even how to create a seller account. It's going to go through everything that you need to know, and then it's also going to be catered to people who have been selling on Amazon for years and who already know everything about it, but don't really know about the online arbitrage business model and don't know how they can grow their business based on that. There's a few different softwares that I recommend, and those will also be in the link in the description below, but I go in depth about those software in the course, and you can really benefit from it. The way I look at it is $500, that's what I used to pay for a university course, and I had to take a ton of university courses to get my business degree. If you can invest this $500, this literally can change your life. And that's where I wish rather than spending all that money getting a business degree, I wish I would have invested in a course like 6-7 years ago before I was starting business school. And I wish that I would have learned how to do the stuff that I know now that many years ago, because then I wouldn't have wasted all that time in school, and I would be significantly better off right now. So if you guys are in that same boat and wondering whether you should go to university or continue your university, or take a one-time course that has a one-time fee that can literally change your life, that's obviously what I'm going to recommend, and that's what I wish I would have done. So yeah, check it out. Check the link in the description below. Go through the course curriculum. Like I said, I'm going to be probably adding 2.5 to 3 times the amount of content within the next, I'm guessing it'll be within the next couple months, as long as everything goes as planned, because I'm quite busy with my Amazon business, but I am going to do my best to get that content up onto the course and help you guys grow your business and take your business to the next level and help you earn a full-time income so you don't have to go into a 9-to-5 job every single day and grow your business from home. So I hope this video has helped you guys, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and for a lot of free content on how to grow your Amazon FBA business. Thanks for watching, guys.